No, that's Cody's. Give that to Cody. Give the toy to Cody. Yeah, it goes to Cody. Cody, come get your toy. Cameron, can you give it to the doggies? No, you gotta give it to him. Be nice. Yeah.
Watch his right foot. It's on the ground. His ankle. Rolls it over, and he limped off the field. So that's a big one. Starting corner plays against Wes Welker some. They cannot afford an injury. They're pretty thin when it comes to covering the wide receiving core of this Patriots.